It gets cold in Tennessee in January. I done tagged out all my bugs, wasn't no one seeing dubs. Thought that I could use some out the ordinary. Trade them pine trees for a palm by the ocean, peace and calm. So I bought a seat and caught a bus, headed straight to South Beach. And there she was, Savannah in her accent, coconut and captain. And by the end of the day, she was begging me to stay. It ain't nothing like where I'm from, no. Yeah, I can't keep my gun in my truck, and they don't know my name at these bars. And you can't even see any stars. And you got me in my head for a couple days now, but it don't hit the same as my Tennessee town. Except for getting sand in my boots. Ask yourself, what the hell is a redneck gon' do? And that song went down and then she dragged me to the city. And took some elevator up, now it's whiskey in the club. And she dancing with her body up against me. There ain't no